Be careful, there's loose cows.
Okay, that would have sucked more than a deer or a bird.
Yeah.
I was like, no. And then I had to look over and I was like, oh yeah, the gate's wide open. That was that's not gonna be on the road test. You should ask him. So I had this experience last weekend riding. What do you do if a cow was loose? And they'll be like, what if a buzzard tries to fly in front of you? Dodge the fridge.
What?
Dodge the fridge.
Dodge the fridge.
Yeah.
Why are we dodging fridge?
That's what you have to do during the class. So.
Oh, fridge. I thought you said bridge. This one I'm down shifting for. Gravel.
Yep. You got it. Thank you.
Yep.
Fucker! Pull over. Pull the fuck over. Oh, you piece of fucking shit. I'm gonna kill you, I swear to God. Fucker. Ah.
Is that in your helmet?
Yeah, I said a fuck wasp on my helmet.
Yep, you too. Right there.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Ow! Fuck. Sorry.
Okay,
Didn't really have time to say anything. You just want him out of my face.
fine.
Oh. Ah! So he flew and stuck right there. And then stung the shit out of me. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Okay, sorry. We can go now.
That's okay.
Ow.
And that guy was so nice.
Oh,
Biker
a
guy.
Harley guy? I know, right? Who would have thunk?
He looked more alright.
fucking face hurts now. I mean, more than it normally does.
I'm sure they have Benadryl.
Oh, I don't want Benadryl. I want ice and maybe a shot of tequila.
I'm not sure if they have tequila. They gotta
Truck
try
coming.
it.
Hold. Stay right there. Stay there. Don't go out yet. There's a truck coming. Okay, you're good. All good, man. Thanks for checking.
What?
The guy kind of slowed down, and the other guy going the other way and looked at us, and I just gave him a thumbs up. Because I'm not an ass. Fucker, that hurt. That was like,
Ready to go?
yeah, that was like black and white and like douchebag all over.
Major Hornet.
Oh,
Put your visor down.
it was so comfortable though. Oh.
I know, but